Tired of stale snacks and messy countertops? The Kizmos Bag Clips offer a simple, reliable way to keep your opened bags fresh and your kitchen organized. These clips aren't just ordinary bag sealers. They come with magnetic backs that let you hang recipes, reminders, photos, and more right on your fridge. Imagine sealing your favorite snacks tight while turning your kitchen into a neat, functional space. I've been using Kizmos Bag Clips for over a year now, and they've made a noticeable difference. Once I started clipping open bread, crackers, and cookies, I noticed they stayed fresh longer. No more tossing out stale snacks. What really stands out is how sturdy these clips are. Unlike flimsy alternatives that snap or lose grip, these hold strong without breaking. Plus, the vibrant assortment of colors adds a bit of fun to my kitchen routine. The magnets work well for lightweight notes and photos, making them handy beyond just sealing bags. Just a heads up, if you're looking to hang heavier items, these might not be the right fit, but for everyday kitchen use, they're perfect. This set includes 7 clips, each measuring 1.5 inches long, ideal for everything from snack bags to small food packages. If you're looking for a practical, affordable way to keep your snacks fresh and your kitchen clutter-free, these clips are worth a look. They combine function and convenience with a splash of color. Try them when you're ready to upgrade how you store your snacks and organize your fridge.